Hello students, myself Sarma Malik Das, Assistant Professor of Gargi Memorial Institute of Technology. Today I discuss about Green's theorem. In my last lecture I discussed about the surface integral and today I discuss about the Green's theorem. So what is the first way state the theorem? Okay. So statement is let m of xy and n of xy be continuous function of x and y having continuous partial derivatives. Continuous partial derivatives. Del m del y and del n del x in a region R on the xy plane bounded by a closed curve C. Then integration around the contour C m dx plus m dy, this is equals to double integration over the region R del n del x minus del m del y dx dy. Okay, where C is traversed in a counterclockwise direction. Okay, so now we prove it. Here we prove the theorem for a single closed curve in a simply connected region. Okay, so let the region R is such that any line parallel to either coordinate axis meets the boundary curve C in at most 2 points. Okay, so let us draw. Okay, so this is the region here. There is a two curves, y is equals to f1x and y is equals to f2x, and this is the point x equals to a and this is the point x equals to b. Okay, so Here the region R is bounded by x equals to a and x equals to b, and the arcs whose equations are y is equals to f1x and y is equals to f2x, where f2x is greater than f1x. Okay, now we find double integration over the region R, del m del y dx dy. Okay, so this value is equals to, here x is vary from a to b, okay, and y is vary from f1x to f2x. So del m del y, first we differentiate with respect to integration with respect to y, then x. So this equals to integration of a to b m of xy. Okay, y is equals to f1x and y is equals to f2x dx. Okay, so this is equals to integration of a to b m of x f2x minus m of x f1x dx, that is equals to integration of a to b m x f2x dx minus integration of a to b m x f1x dx. Okay, so from here this is integration a to b m x f1x dx, and this is written as m x f2x dx. Okay, so this is minus of integration a to b m x f1x dx plus integration b to a m x f2x dx. Okay, so that is equals to minus integration another going to c m dx according to the definition of line integral. Okay, so integration I'm going to c m dx, this is equals to minus double integration along the region R del m del y dx dy. Okay, so similarly we can show that it can be shown that integration along the contour c in dy, this is equals to integration on the contour double integration over the region R del n del x dx dy. Okay, so adding 1 and 2, we get integration undergone to C m dx plus n dy. This is equals to double integration over the region R del n del x minus del m del y into dx dy. Okay, so here the above theorem can be proved for multiple connected region. Okay, some note. This theorem can be proved for multiple connected region. Okay, and number 2 is by Green's theorem. By this theorem we can transform line integral into the double integral. Okay, over a region bounded by the closed curve and vice versa. Double integral and vice versa. Okay, so this is our Green's theorem. Now Green's theorem in the plane in vector motion. Green's theorem in the plane in vector motion, vector notation. Okay, so here also let mxy and nxy be continuous function of x and y having continuous partial derivatives del m del y and del n del x in a region R on xy plane bounded by the closed curve C. Then integration along the contour C f dot dr. This is equals to double integration over the region R grad cross f into dot k dr. Okay, where dr is equals to dx dy, r vector is equals to xi cap plus yj cap. Okay, and f vector is equals to mi cap plus nj cap. Clear? So we can prove it. Since r is equals to xi cap plus yj cap. Okay, so dr, this is equals to dx into I cap plus dy into j cap. Clear? And F vector is equals to m I cap plus n into j cap. That means m dx plus n dy, this is equals to f dot dr, okay, dot product of these two. So that means again, curl f, this means grad cross f, cross product of divergence and f, okay. So you know this, how can you find it? That means this is I j for k, grad is del del x, this is a operator, del del y, del del z, and f means m n and this is 0, okay. So after calculating, this will be minus of del n del z into I cap, okay, plus del m del z into j cap, okay, and plus del n del x minus del m del y, this is of k cap, okay. So now we find grad cross f, curl of f into dot product of k, this is equals to del n del x minus del m del y, okay. Hence from the previous theorem, from the previous theorem, the Green's theorem can be written as what is our Green's theorem? Okay, first we will write the Green's theorem. Green's theorem is m dx plus n dy, okay. This is equals to double integration over the region R, del n del x minus del m del y dx dy, okay. This is our Green's theorem. So from here, this m dx plus n dy means f dot dr, dot product of f and dr, this is equals to double integration over the region R, and del n del x minus del m del y, this means grad cross f into dot product of k, and this is dr, okay. So this is our Green's theorem in vector notation, okay. Now we illustrate some examples where we verify the Green's theorem, okay. So our first examples is verify Green's theorem in the plane for integration along C xy plus y square dx plus x square dy, where C is a closed curve bounded by y is equals to x and y is equals to x square. Okay, so if we first draw the curve, this is the line y is equals to x and this is y is equals to x square. Okay, so this point is 1 1. Clear? So this is our region R. So the Green's theorem in the plane is integration another to C m dx plus n dy. This is equals to double integration over the region R del n del x minus del m del y dx dy. Okay, so here m is equals to xy plus y square and n is equals to x square. Clear? Now integration another to C m dx plus n dy for this value. Here this is two curves, so first we divided it. First along C1 m dx plus n dy and along C2 m dx plus n dy. Okay, so along C1 on C1 y is equals to x square. Okay, that means dy is equals to 2x dx. Okay, and on C2 y is equals to x, so dy is equals to dx. Okay, and along C1 x varies from 0 to 1. On C1 x varies from 0 to 1 and on C2 y, no, here also x varies from 1 to 0. Okay, so here it is, first integration of 0 to 1, m is xy plus y square. So first is x into y means x square plus x square whole square, this dx plus n dy. N means x square dy means 2x dx. Okay, so this is along C1 and for C2 integration of 1 to 0 in m dx. M means here x into y means x plus y square, that means x square dx plus n dy. N means x square and dy means dx. So this. Clear? So that means it is 0 to 1 x cube, 3x cube plus x to the power 4 into dx plus this is 1 to 0 x square plus x square plus x square, that means 3x square dx, which is equivalent to 3x to the power 4 by 4 plus x to the power 5 by 5. After integrating, this is over 0 to 1, and this means 3 into x cube by 3, 1 to 0. So this is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 5 minus 1, that is equals to minus 1 by 20. Okay. So from the right hand side, double integration over the region R, del n del x minus del m del y dx dy. This is equals to, here also x vary from 0 to 1 and y is from x square to x. Okay, del x of n, that means x square, minus del y of m, that means xy plus y square dx dy. So it is from 0 to 1, y from x square to x. This means 2x minus this is x and this is 2y dx dy. Okay, so it is integration 0 to 1, y is equals to x square to x minus 2y, first to integrate with respect to y, then x. After integrating, it is xy minus 2y square by 2 x square to x dx. Okay, so this is integration of 0 to 1. X to the power 4 minus x cube dx, that is equals to x to the power 5 by 5 minus x to the power 4 by 4, 0 to 1, that means 1 by 5 minus 1 by 4, that is minus 1 by 20. Okay, so from 1 and 2, Green's theorem is verified. Okay, now this is another example. Verify Green's theorem for integration along C, 3x minus 8y square dx plus 4y minus 6xy dy, where C is bounded by x equals to 0, y is equals to 0 and x plus y is equals to 1. Okay, this is your home task. Okay, I give you another examples also. Verify Green's theorem in the plane for integration of the contour C, x square minus xy cube dx plus y square minus 2xy dy, where C is bounded by 0, 0, 2, 0, 2, 2 and 0, 2. Okay, so these two problems are your homework. Okay, so next day we discuss about another theorem, that is divergence theorem.